to YouTube. This is of course Hockey Customs coming at you with another vid. And as you see from the thumbnail, today I'm gonna be showing y'all step-by-step process on me customizing t-shirts. So you use this video as a guideline or a template to see what you have to do customizing t-shirts using transfer paper and vinyl. So I just want to show y'all all my mistakes that I've done, or I'm gonna tell y'all my mistakes that I've done. That way you can learn from them and take a different path, and you will not run into a bunch of obstacles out here that will make you want to stop customizing t-shirts. So make sure you follow me on IG, YouTube. On YouTube, you might as well hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the comments. Just do me a little favor, that way it keeps me motivated and bringing out more content for y'all. Stay tuned for my reactions too, because I'm doing reactions on this channel as well, like music videos, stuff like that. That's coming too. And if you're looking to get any work done by me, custom t-shirt, jeans jacket, custom anything with leather, custom shoes, make sure you DM me on IG. So the link will be down in the description below, and we can talk, work something out, see what you can get, and we can get your feet right. And don't forget that I'm running a 1K giveaway on my IG once I hit 1,000 followers on IG. So make sure you go over there, follow, like, and get your chance to win a free custom done by me. All you gotta do is provide the shoe, and we're gonna get you right. I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So once y'all got that all completed on the computer, you got your design all set up. Now you're ready to print. So this is only when you're using like transfer paper for real, and I only use Avery transfer paper. Make sure you get the light fabric for white shirts, and they have dark fabric for dark shirts. As you can see, it's like a regular size paper, just a different fabric. So what you want to do is load that bad boy up. Make sure you put it in the right way. So because the first time I did it, I had it the other way, and yeah, I printed on this side. You wanted to print on the white side, of course. So get that bad boy in there. Alright, so once you got your transfer paper all printed out, just want to take it, because you got to get it cut, right? You want to cut it down to the perfect size, or as perfect as possible. That way it won't be no excess when you heat press it onto the shirt. Just like how they say set it up on there. So once you get that stuck down onto the piece of paper so it's not going to fall off. But I almost forgot to mention, for cutting out the transfer paper, you want to put it on light cardstock plus, and I'll show you what that looks like. On the machine, they have a dial. Light cardstock is in between cardstock and light cardstock, and that's cardstock plus. And you load that bad boy up. Then let it cut. Alright, so from here, what you want to do, you want to cut out your vinyls, like you're using whatever color you're using. Right now I'm using a red and I'm using a black. So make sure you put them on the mat, the sticky mat, shiny side face down, because if you put it on the other side, it's not going to cut the actual vinyl. It's going to cut the clear paper, or the clear fabric, whatever they want to call it, clear plastic, over it that's holding it together right now. So you don't want that, because I've done that sometimes too. And on the computer, make sure that you hit the mirror button first before you actually cut it. I've done that too. It's not cute. Yeah, I actually got it right here. My bad. So my very first shirt is back. All the letters is backwards. So yeah, that was terrible. It was my very first shirt I've ever done. Second shirt that I've. Well, that's my very first shirt on vinyl. My second shirt I've done with transfer paper. So on Cricut, you actually just hover over the image on the left hand side, and you can see like how far does the stuff that you're trying to cut out comes down to. So you know exactly like where you can tape it. You got your vinyl set. Make sure you got it on mirror. Come over here to the machine. Slide the joint in. Right there. Make sure it's nice and hit the loading button. It's gonna get it ready for you. Make sure you have it on vinyl. I mean, when you're cutting the vinyl. I've done that too. Hit cardstock. It's just retarded. So make sure you hit vinyl and then cut that bad boy out. All right, now that you got everything done, you got your transfer paper cut out. Don't mind that. I'm gonna take care of that. Transfer paper cut out. You got your vinyls cut out completely. Just gotta chop them up separately. Now, you wanna take your shirt, Take your shirt. Make sure you turn your heat press on. Yeah, I forgot to turn it up. Take your shirt. The heat press could be really on anything over like 100, bro. Anything over 150. And you want to put your shirt on there. Make sure it doesn't get the collar. You want to make sure everything's centered. You get a quick press in for like 5 seconds. Put it up. Just to flatten it out more. Yeah, that's all you want to do, because you can burn the shirt if you leave it on there too long. So just do it at 5 seconds. That's it. Alright, then the temperatures I'm setting mine on is you set yours anywhere from like 305 all the way up to, I would say like 325. I'm setting mine to 320. And then for the vinyl, I'm gonna leave it on the shirt for 20 seconds. And then for the transfer paper, I'm leaving it on for 25. You're gonna see how I do it. Usually, I already got my machine set to 25 seconds. So once it hit 20, I'm gonna lift it up. Then I'm gonna lift it up and take the vinyl off, and then I'm gonna put it back down for like 5 or 7 more seconds, and then take the transfer paper off. So you see how I got the everything. That's basically the only thing that's missing is the fist and strong, and that's at the bottom. That's because this is a little bit of space to work with, and I don't want to risk it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these on here first, and then I'm gonna run another one with that, and then I'm gonna put I'll show you when I get to it. See, right now it was at 320, but it's cooling down because I had it open for so long. But 320, and we're gonna press it down. It is the old press, so no, don't worry about the noise. It's a lot, but it's gonna go all the way up to 25, and that's when I'm gonna lift it back up. Or really, when it hits 20, I'm gonna lift it back up. So you'll see. All right, we are done. I'm gonna peel this off. Make sure that got on there nice and smooth. Take your time. Do not peel it off fast, because sometimes it don't always stick. When that happens, I'm gonna show you what you should do. All right, now you want to peel the transfer paper off, nice and slow. Don't go too crazy. Right, out, looking good, looking right. We're gonna line up the last pieces, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put that on there. Bam. Flexing now, I'll go one hand. Alright, surgery's on. You all set. There you go. Get a little nice and tight. Not coming off, not gonna stretch off, not fall. Alright. I always do this because someone recommended it to me. Once you're done pressing everything on the front, we're gonna flip it over. Going nowhere. All right. Yes, sir. There you go. The struggle made me strong.